Dear friends, today I am going to share some of my thoughts related to pandemic and the mental health. The unprecedented pandemic which is prevailing from more than a year has uh, definitely brought a number of challenges and changes in the livelihood and which has directly affected the human actions. It has become quite difficult at times by the people to accept the new normal lifestyle. We really need to understand what are the causes of the mental health, because mental health illness is creating lot of stress and anxiety, depression and many other such kind of related disorders, which leads to multiple complications in the body. Dear friends, I would really like to tell you that there are certain factors. Before finding a remedy for anything, we should know what are the reasons behind that. What are the causes due to which such kind of a mental health problem are arising. The factors which are responsible for the mental health, dear friends, are overthinking, watching watching the information or the news which is triggering us. Thirdly, the social media platforms. Abundance of news and informations are being floated. We should think which are the trusted source from where the information is coming. Gathering or accumulating all such kind of an information without proper knowledge leads to unnecessary botheration. Another reason is not maintaining a good lifestyle. Another factor is lack of sleep. You know, dear friends, we take lot of care with respect to our physical health. Similarly, when we are particular to take a proper diet to keep our physical fitness in place, similarly, there are certain things for which we really need to take care for our mental health as well. Unnecessarily gathering the information from the multiple sources leads to overthinking. There are not only such kind of the factors, but there are certain psychological factors also which are creating lot of fear, lot of stress and anxiety. Dear friends, fear may be of dying, fear of not meeting family, not meeting out our friends or the loved ones. It's been long people are unable to contact in person the relatives and the loved ones. Fear of losing the job, or many those who have lost the job, fear of whether will be getting the job or not, fear of livelihood. In short, we can say how we are going to survive, what will happen next, how the lifestyle going to be in the future. So all these thought processes accumulate and it creates a cluster in our mind, which leads to sleeplessness, depression, distress, loss of appetite, mood swings. Dear friends, it's very important that an individual must maintain a healthy lifestyle. What I mean to say healthy lifestyle is physical fitness biologically will definitely help an individual in the mental well-being. When I talk about, or when I'm just trying to share my thoughts on the physical as well as the mental well-being, what I mean that there are certain very small steps, very small tips, very small habits, baby steps which could be taken on the daily basis, and habits could be acquired. gradually, and overall, a healthy lifestyle can be maintained. Very small steps, like number one, maintaining a strict routine for self, must including certain kind of a physical activity for half an hour in the lifestyle to maintain a good blood circulation in the body. May it be yoga, may it be dancing, may it be some kind of exercises, may it be any such kind of a physical exercise or a walking, running, jogging, whatever. If not during pandemic, if we are unable to even go out, we can enjoy, we can have some kind of an exercise within our home. Some music, listening to music is another. Then talking to people around. Since during pandemic we are unable to meet people in person, we can digitally get connected. Speaking to people, showing sympathy, showing and really being, empathetic to others. We should always keep getting connected to the people around, to our known ones, to our friends, to our acquaintances. Just picking a phone, talking to them, asking their welfare. So what will happen? Unknowingly, we are, doing something betterment for our mental health. Bottom line is that we have to keep our brain active in a mode which is in moving in a constructive direction, and that will make sense. So connecting to the people, listening to the music, doing something what makes you happy, maybe watching television, but not all the time 24 hours about the news, because it will again trigger the brain, wherein all those negative thoughts will again come up. So it's better. Then practicing mindfulness. It's very important, either practicing yoga exercises, etc., or to practice to remain quiet for 15 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour in a silence, and practicing mindfulness. Reading out as exercise is to body, similarly, mental diet means some reading good books, knowledgeable books, some good appetite for the brain as well, which gives us more of the learning, which gives us more of the knowledge. And we should avoid gossiping. We should avoid unnecessarily discussions. So these are the small tips with the help of which we can put efforts to maintain a good, healthy lifestyle. Of course, everything comes up gradually and while maintaining a disciplined lifestyle. A disciplined lifestyle with good habits, good food, for sure will increase the mental well-being. Thank you so much. Take care.